Today we are starting the dubbing of Remo film in Prasad. Actually, last week when we did the Morat, I was not very happy with the studio and the sound. So I called up Prasad, and our man Friday was more than willing to do changes. And in 4 days, Prasad and Studio Care put together. They changed the acoustics. They put the latest Pro Tools in operation for me, and I'm very thankful to them, and I'm very amazed by the spirit in which Chennai has taken a step forward towards technical excellence. Thank you very much.